Here's how to use the 40-ounce tumbler mock-up for laser. You've got 3 tumblers here, and each of their designs are held in these 3 smart objects in the layer panel, bottom right here. To get to your design on, say the left tumbler, just double click the thumbnail, and then you're in here. Just go File, Place Embedded. Where is it? There it is. File, Place Embedded. Then locate your design, which will be normally a black PNG, black design on a PNG transparent background. All you need to do is size it and position it towards, so that it's showing the left-hand edge of the design. And then when you're happy with its size and positioning, you close the layer, and you'll see it on there. Exactly the same process for the center one. Double click, File, Place Embedded. Move your design to its required place, close it, and when prompted say yes. And again, exactly the same, double click on the right tumbler, but then make sure your design is aligned on the right edge. Sorry, this isn't an actual design, this is just a holding text for the layer, but you can delete this once you've got yours on there. Once you've gone File, Place Embedded, found your design, just dump this one in the trash, but this isn't a design suitable for laser, so I'll just close that. So that's placing your design. To get different metal effects on the tumblers, you've got these 2 smart objects here. One controls the band at the top, so let's do that first. And then you just toggle on the one you want. So if you want gold, use gold. You could use copper as well. And then close it when you're ready. To change the text color, you just double click this one called etching color, and again turn on. We'll match it here with copper, and then close it and say yes. And that's it. I think that's all there is to say. You can of course change the background, and you could go in, if you want to turn the shadows off. The shadows are held within the individual folders, so they're there. I've highlighted the colour here, pink here, to show you that you can modify the colour of the tumbler if you need to. Just double click the colour overlay and change it from black to whatever colour you need. And that's it.